Struggling to manage content publishing and social sharing in WordPress? SchedulePress lets you automate your scheduling and share posts across multiple platforms right from a single board. Let's see how it works. Once you have SchedulePress Free and Pro installed, navigate to the post or page you want to schedule and share. In the right-hand panel, under the SchedulePress tab, tap to open the Schedule and Share board. Here, you can choose to publish your content immediately or set a specific date and time for it to go live. You can also manage auto or manual scheduling here. Plus, you can set an unpublished date or schedule a republishing cycle to keep your content fresh. With advanced scheduling enabled, you can update this specific post and schedule it to be published on a future date and time with updated content. To view all your advanced scheduled posts, go to the SchedulePress dashboard and click on Advanced Schedules. Here, you can easily manage and edit as preferred. If the advanced schedule is enabled for a post, you get a warning like this before disabling it. Under the social share settings, you can enable or disable social sharing for this specific post. You can upload a custom banner image. Now, tap the Add Social Message button and select the platforms you want to share to, such as Facebook, X, or LinkedIn. You can then customize the message for each platform and have a preview, ensuring your content is optimized for each audience. Once you are happy with your settings, click Save Changes. You can then schedule these along with the post or share immediately. And that is it. With SchedulePress, managing and sharing your content is easier than ever. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.